Alright guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be swapping all the suspension to the new frame. It's on the trailer right now. We got to take it down with the forklift and put it right here so that it's easier to swap everything. So let's take it down with the forklift and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so in that clip, you guys saw us removing this frame from the trailer. So now, we're going to start swapping the suspension. I'm going to start by swapping this side first, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so in that time-lapse video, I was removing the front suspension right here. I was having trouble because it was so bent that I had to cut some slits with the Sawzall so that I can relieve pressure so I could get it out easier. Now we got to remove the front differential and put it on the other frame so we can put the suspension. But the actuator's broken, but I have a part, so we're going to take it off, replace it, and we'll go from there. After replacing the front actuator with the brand new one on the front differential, I brought over the leaf spring and track bar because in the accident it was bent because something hit it there. It bent it pretty bad, so I had to take it apart and straighten it out because it wouldn't move at all. It just didn't work because it was all bent up. So I took it off, put it on a wooden block, hammered it over and over till I eventually got it straight. Took me a while to get it straight because it was really tough, but eventually I got it straight and better than I expected. Came out pretty good. So after that, I put it together. Now it's ready to go on the truck. Right here, I am putting on the front differential on the new frame. My dad helped me because it was pretty heavy, so I needed help. So he helped me get it on there and get the screws in place. After that, I put on the upper control arms on each side because those go first. Because if you put the shock first, you can't put the screws in. On the driver's side, I put the shock because I forgot. On 4x4s, you shouldn't do that because the axle gets in the way. But I took it off and then I put it on afterwards. Alright guys, so I just finished putting on the passenger side suspension and the front diff. I was gonna put on the driver's side suspension, but because of the weight, the frame started going forward. So I gotta put the rear diff on now so it doesn't do that. So right now I'm gonna pick it up with the forklift and put it right there so I can put it on with the leaf springs. Alright guys, now that the differential's in place, I gotta put these bump stops on. They go on the frame, so let me put them on real quick. After installing the two leaf springs and both track bars, I installed both of the shocks. Right here I installed the plate where all the axle wiring goes. Right here I installed the brake line bracket. After that I installed the tire carrier. Then I installed a bracket that goes in the rear where a module screws onto. Right here I am installing all 4 of the cab mounts. Right here, I removed the driver's side rim from the driver's side suspension because I need to remove the axle bearing and brake caliper. Those were the only two things that survived on the driver's side suspension. Everything else was damaged. Right here, I'm installing a new disc brake shield and the original ball bearing on the new spindle. On the driver's side, I started off by installing the lower control arm first. Then I installed the spindle with ball bearing, then the axle, and lastly the shock. Alright guys, now that this front suspension is on, well not all of it, but most of it over here on the driver's side, I still don't got the disc and the caliper on because I still haven't bought the disc. I just gotta go get it, but I could always put it back on later. This is loose right now. I mean everything, most of the stuff is still loose, but I'm gonna be tightening it down once the engine and everything's on. But right now I'm gonna be putting on this tire so that it can be rolled and moved around easier. And then once I do this tire, I'm gonna put the other one on so we can mount the engine on, finally. So let me put this tire on real quick. So now that that's on, I'm gonna do the same to the other side. And we're gonna finally be putting on the engine with the forklift. All right guys, so we got the engine off, so now we're gonna put it on the new frame. That's how it's done. Sí, entró en todos los soportes.
Aquí ya están los hoyos casi exactamente. A él no se le mueve un poquito
Ok.
el gato abajo. Dámelo, déjalo para este lado.
Déjame la suelto de acá. No quiero aflojar. A ver, me la voy a sacar. Alright, so now we're gonna start putting on the main harness, all of this. So I'm gonna start from the rear and work forward. So these all go in the rear, so I'm gonna start putting these on. So this one goes right there. And then these go right there. I gotta turn these on. Right here, I am installing the canister bracket. After installing the canister bracket, I installed the canister. Right here, I am installing the new gas tank. Alright guys, so I just finished swapping the gas tank, all the fuel, and the fuel pump. You do gotta change the gas tank on these because the long bed one is a little longer and a little taller right here. So it does hit on the cab when you put it on. So I change it. This is a crew cab one, or you could also use an extended cab one. They both work. This one does come with different lines. These are the long bed lines. I put them on, but they didn't work. So I went over and bought brand new ones. These are a little different. These don't have an extra line that goes right here because the long bed one has a breather tube right here, but this one doesn't have it, so that's that extra line. You see, this one doesn't have it. And then these are a little bit shorter, which is better because these are too much that way. So I'm gonna put these on, and then I'm gonna connect it from here to the canister, and then I think after that it should be ready for the cab to get installed. All right guys, so we got all the gas tank lines on. All the wiring is nice and tucked in. Everything's where it's supposed to be. I did forget to put the brake lines on, but I put them on. So it's ready to get the cab installed. So let's install the cab. Well guys, finally we got the cab on. So the next thing, we're gonna put the doors on. After that, we're gonna start putting all the engine bay stuff back, like the wiring, radiators, fan, brake lines, so that the truck turns on and so that we could take it to the shop and put the ZR2 front in. I already bought all the parts. I'm gonna show you guys all the parts in another video. So stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.